And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz Gold Star level choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3. And now let's look at same Waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. We start with preparation movement. And first figure is natural spin turn. Notice closing of the feet on count 3. Then here look at lady's brush. Overturned version with pivot. We continue double natural spin, lady's heel turn, man's toe pivot. We continue with closed wing, man dances 1 step, lady 3 steps. Now chasse to right with open finish, which is advanced figure. And from here quarter turn to left, overturn to wing position, which is quick step figure originally. Traveling contra check to promenade position. And from here we dance running cross chasse. Very good. Let's look once again. This time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, man is facing diagonally to wall, and we start with preparation movement. And we dance diagonally to wall. Natural spin turn, first 3 steps. Then down line of dance, second bar of natural spin, then around the corner we finish with natural pivot and dance double natural spin. From here we dance diagonally to center with closed wing. So in same direction we dance chasse to right to open finish. Diagonally to center, we continue with quarter turn to left, overturn to wing position. From here we dance down line of dance traveling contra check, which we finish diagonally to wall, and dance running cross chasse diagonally to wall into corner.
Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.